I am ready to begin my winter landscape. I have a piece of paper, a paintbrush, and some blue paint. I'm going to paint some hills. I'll start with a wavy line going across my paper near the bottom of the paper. Next, I'll paint another wavy line above it. This one's slightly off to the side. You can make yours different if you want. Next, I'll paint another line above that one and one more line close to the top of my paper. Now I have 4 hills. This hill's in the foreground, these ones are in the middle ground, and this one is in the background. In many landscape paintings and in real life, things become lighter in color the further away they are. So I'm going to mix my blue paint with white to show this value change in my landscape painting. So first I'll scoop out a little bit of my blue paint and put it in another section of my palette. Then I'll get some white paint and I'll scoop a little out and mix it with that blue to get a slightly lighter blue. So just a little bit of white at first, just so it's a teeny bit lighter. Just like that. And I will fill in my hill at the bottom with this color. So the bottom hill is the hill in the foreground. Okay, now I'll scoop out a little more white and mix it into that light blue to make it even lighter. So a little more white this time, so it's lighter than the last one. And I'm going to paint the next hill up with this tint of blue. A tint is a lighter version of a color. Next, I'll put a little more white paint in there, so it's a little bit lighter, and I'll paint the next hill up with this tint of blue. Because things get lighter as they go toward the background. You've probably already guessed that I will mix in more white next and paint my last hill with that. And last, I'll paint in the sky. I'll make the lightest tint for that. Now I have a landscape that shows value with the blue color becoming lighter from the bottom to the top of the paper, and space of foreground, middle ground, and background. I'll now let it dry.